Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy Solana on your Coinbase wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch your Coinbase wallet, come here and tap on buy, and then just enter the amount that you would like to buy, let's say $10. And then I want you to come here and tap on buy. You can see the crypto is now set to Ethereum. So tap here and then you can go ahead and choose Solana from the list of assets. You can even search it up right here. If you don't find it, that means you are on the wrong network. So what you need to do is switch your network. So from Ethereum, you would switch it to, let's say, Solana, and then you should actually find it, okay? So switch to Solana, and then you can choose to pay either with your credit card, debit card, or any other option. You can tap here and change that. And then you just proceed to payment. Just tap and continue to payment and then buy your Solana. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.